Hi. My name is Dmitry Urkanov. I am also better known as a manufacturer Dmitry Urkanov. In our company I am the chief designer of Boss Series foam concrete and lightweight concrete machines. The machinery produced by our company is intended for the manufacturing of lightweight concretes, such as foam concrete and polystyrene concrete. These lightweight concretes are designed for the manufacturing of thermal insulation, soundproofing, foam concrete blocks, monolithic constructions, and other lightweight concrete products. All foam concrete machines produced by our company are mobile. It allows you to load them into the back of a car or pickup truck, and deliver them even to the jungle, or to the tundra, even to the desert. So, it makes it possible to manufacture foam concrete and polystyrene concrete, where bulky piece of machinery cannot be delivered. Since 2002, we have been manufacturing foam concrete machines. Over 1,500 foam concrete machines were manufactured. These machinery successfully produce lightweight concretes throughout the entire Eurasian Economic Union, and beyond. We have a lot of customers. What is the features of the machinery manufactured by our company? Creating foam concrete machines, we try to make them as simple as possible, in order that this machinery could be used by ordinary people and unskilled workers, without special training and experience. Because there are many people and builders who don't have special training and skills, but want to manufacture foam concrete or foam concrete blocks. Foam concrete machines manufactured by our company and production technology allow to manufacture lightweight concretes with a density of 200 to 900 without the use of a foam generator. Yes, it's true. For the manufacturing of foam concrete according to our technology, a foam generator is not required. In our business, we are based on the principle of customer focus. By manufacturing a lot of foam concrete machines, we continuously collaborate with our customers. We periodically contact our customers who bought foam concrete machines 5 to 6 years ago, and ask them what they would like to improve in their design. We are improving the foam concrete machines guided by the advice and wishes of our customers. The result of such collaboration is that the machinery is mobile, reliably, and there is nothing to break in it. Our machines are simple. They are reliable. And they are not expensive. These factors reduce business risk. We have an online chat. You can at any time get advice and technical support, or communicate with other customers who use foam concrete machines manufactured by our company. In other words, we support our customers from the moment of purchasing machinery to obtaining the result. That is, before the production of foam concrete of the quality that is required. Please don't worry. We won't leave you alone with the foam concrete machine after you buy it. We will help you achieve positive results in the lightweight concretes manufacturing. We are glad to see you among our clients and business partners. We will be happy to provide you with advice, assistance, any help. Good luck wishes for your business.